Hi Year 10, it's lesson 5 of the Victorians, and today from your little booklet we're looking at task 5, and it's an extract from Dracula, so everyone's heard of Dracula, so that should help you. So it says, the following extract is taken from the novel Dracula by Bram Stoker. Here, the narrator, Jonathan Harker, is meeting Count Dracula for the first time. His face was a very strong aquiline, with a high bridge of the thin nose and peculiarly arched nostrils, with lofty domed forehead and hair growing scantily round the temples but profusely elsewhere. His eyebrows were very massive, almost meeting over the nose, and with bushy hair that seemed to curl in its own profusion. The mouth, so far as I could see it under the heavy moustache, was fixed and rather cruel looking, with peculiarly white, sharp teeth. Oh, sorry, I should have read sharp white teeth. These protruded over the lips, whose remarkable ruddiness showed astonishing vitality in a man of his years. And obviously, there's a bit of sort of, if you like, humour there, or irony, isn't it? Because, of course, Dracula lives for a long time by obviously sucking everyone's blood and living off everyone. The chin was broad and strong, and the cheeks firm, though thin. The general effect was one of extraordinary pallor. And that means being very pale, and that's one of the words you'll be looking up later. Hitherto, I had noticed the backs of his hands as they lay on his knees in the firelight, and they had seemed rather white and fine. But seeing them now close to me, I could not but notice that they were rather coarse, broad with squat fingers. Strange to say, there were hairs in the centre of the palm. The nails were long and fine and cut to a sharp point. As the Count leaned over me and his hands touched me, I could not repress a shudder. It may have been that his breath was rank, but a horrible feeling of nausea came over me, which, do what I would, I could not conceal. The Count, evidently noticing it, drew back, and with a grim sort of smile which showed more than he had yet done his protuberant teeth, sat himself down again on his own side of the fireplace. We were both silent for a while, and I looked towards the window. I saw the first dim streak of the coming dawn. There seemed to be a strange stillness over everything. But as I listened, I heard, as if from down below in the valley, the howling of many wolves. The Count's eyes gleamed, and he said, "Listen to them, the children of the night, what music they make." Seeing, I suppose, some expression in my face strange to him, he added, "Ah, sir, you dwellers in the city cannot enter into the feelings of the hunter." So a bit of a hint there that he obviously does do some hunting. So you've got some of the words in bold again to look up, just some unusual words that you might not have come across. Then you've got to list 3 things about Count Dracula's appearance. Highlight or underline some words which make Dracula sound scary. And then you've got your what happens at the beginning, the middle and the end again. And then the final task is the writer succeeds in making Dracula sound strange rather than fearsome at this point. Yeah, he just seems a bit of a quirky guy here, doesn't he? Not so much someone we need to be frightened of at this point. So, you know, do you agree with that? And does he sound fearful? I mean, the fact that obviously he sort of calls the wolves, doesn't he? Sort of almost like his, did he say they were his children? What did he say again? Yes, he called them the children of the night. Okay, and he's a man of the night, isn't he? Obviously, you can watch Dracula films. There's lots of many good adaptations. Anyway, so enjoy this one, and we've got one lesson to go, and that's it on the Victorians. Bye.